na desisyon na ng korte. Pabayarin natin sa PNP.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead.
a few days ago, General Torre was in a press con, and he very clearly stated that there was no digging. He denied that he nagdig ang PNP, and he said that excavation didn't exist, and he also said that those were just Photoshop pictures.
Okay. But that statement was not given before this committee,
Yes,
before you.
yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, before the public.
In a
Before the
press con,
public.
he said it in a press con. So, Mr. Chair, this again is the problem, that he maybe can tell the truth to you, but once you leave,
For fear
For
of
fear, yes.
becoming
yes,
being cited in contempt.
yes.
Because I am serious in my job. I don't care kung sino man, basta if you testify falsely before this committee, I have to cite you in contempt.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but unfortunately, not all of us are senators, and the Filipino people are not senators, and he blatantly lied to the Filipino people about it.
Will you please respond, General Torre? Why did you lie before the Filipino people that you did not do such digging?
Sir, masyado tayong nasa sidetrack. Hindi ko maintindihan, sir, ang sinasabi ni Dr. Badoy. Kung kailan ginawa, sir, I did not do that.
Napakasimple lang.
I did not do that, sir.
Hindi ka
I did not do that and I did not say that.
na
They can present to me the video, maybe I can review it. But right now, there's no video presented except for the statement of Dr. Badoy, who is delaying the presentation of Attorney Torion.
Okay. Can you please give me that
Yes,
video?
Mr. Chair.
Ah,
Yeah,
so that
yeah, the press con 2 days
Huh?
ago, he even challenged Attorney Torion to prove it.
Ang sabi kasi niya sa press con, he has to, that's the allegation of Attorney Torion, and he should prove it in court, and he should prove it, walang in court, he should prove it because madali, nasa Photoshop naman yan. Parang Photoshop na yan. Oh, yun po, sabi niya.
sige, last response before we proceed para
Sometimes I'm really thinking that they don't want to proceed with their presentation. But I think that sidetracks the issue. Because as to the moment, sir, Dr. Badoy is just making an allegation, sir.
this committee
Yes, sir.
does not believe that it hijacks the issue.
Okay, sir.
That issue is very important and very relevant in this investigation.
So the answer, sir, is no. I did not say things that Dr. Badoy is attributing to me.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Later on, Dr. Badoy, you
We're retrieving the press con, Mr. Chair, where he blatantly and clearly stated that there was no excavation and that those were just Photoshop photos.
okay. Noted. Kung meron kayong record,
Mr.
please continue.
One last
Yes.
question regarding sa excavation. Bakit po minadali nila?
Bakit niyo tinabunan kaagad?
Sir, that will be covered my presentation, sir. Even before, without even the
Okay,
silent
okay.
hearing, we will cover it, sir.
We will wait for your
Yes, sir.
presentation.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Continue.
So after that, Your Honor, though we have strong reservations to the legal opinion of our respected government officers, Your Honor, and I am really concerned with the legal opinions that they expressed, no, knowing that they represent the Department of Justice. But anyway, we will continue, Your Honor. At 9 p.m. again, Your Honor, we already covered that. This is on August 29. Unidentified men again were entering, and some had very long haircuts, no? And one was with Bird and escorted by the PNP to the compound, but that's covered already. So let's go to August 30, Honor, at 9 a.m. No, the police through PRO 11 Logistics Office once again attempted to cart away. They wanted to get the KOJC fire truck. No. Good that lawyer was present there, and they would have been able to seize the fire truck, Your Honor. And the respondents here placed their own battery in order to sneak away the fire truck. And at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. on August 30, there were two PNP choppers. And General Torre was clearly on board because he was shown, Your Honor, some cameras had strong power to capture who, even if they are meters away. And I think General Torre admitted that he was on board the chopper, no? But the problem is that it hovered too low, and we had reasons to believe that it was purposive, Your Honor, because of the solar panel installed at the top of the building. We had reasons to believe that they were thinking that the solar panels were supplying electricity to the imaginary bunker that they have made the public believe is existing, but despite 14 days, they have not been able to locate. What actually transpired is that our
Excuse
solar
me.
panels, Your Honor.
Excuse me.
Mm.
General Torre, did you intentionally instruct the pilot of the chopper to go low so that in order to destroy that solar panels?
No, sir. For that, sir, we deeply apologize, and we are willing to pay the KOJC regarding the solar panel if we really cause that the destruction of that panel.
Thank you.
Because for one, sir, that will be a very dangerous maneuver
Yeah.
for us. Because
Kayo ang pasahero dyan, delikado.
yes, sir.
Pag lumipad yung solar panel, tumama doon sa helicopter ninyo,
Of course, sir.
sabog kayo.
Yes, sir. Obviously.
Please continue.
So the word of General Torre would bind the PNP that they will pay, Your Honor.
Yes, they will
Okay.
pay.
Thank
They
you,
will
thank
pay.
you, Your Honor. So proceeding from that, Your Honor, this also, Your Honor, is very concerning because one alleged policeman, Your Honor, was dressed as a policeman using police uniform, but it turned out to be a former member of the KOJC who testified during the Senate investigation, Your Honor. And his name is Edward Masayon, but he was made to wear as if his last name was Esclito. And this is really concerning, Your Honor, because the police is allowing certain members, former members, disgruntled members who testified even against the accused as one of their alleged policemen. May we ask General Torre about this, Your Honor?
You answer the
What
question.
is their issue, sir?
Ang former member ng KOJC na pinasuot niyo ng uniforme at pinapasok doon sa loob.
Are they admitting, sir, that Edward Masayon is a former member of the KOJC?
Huh?
Are they admitting that Edward Masayon is a former member of the KOJC?
It's written there, sir.
Oh, yeah.
So
They admit.
that bolsters our allegation that we have credible informants regarding the presence of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
So meaning, yang si Masayon ang source of information mo.
One of the many. sir.
One. Kailan ito tiniwalag? Kailan niyo tiniwalag ito from QJC? Kailan ito?
Your Honor, because of course, if we want to get information as to the whereabouts of Pastor Kibuloy, we cannot get it from our other resource persons from the other end of the table because they are all believers of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
Okay.
I think you get the drift, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Kailan niyo ito tiniwalag sa church niyo?
Matagal na, sir. Kasi
How many years?
I'm not sure. I'll check. We'll check with our HRMD kasi lahat naman po nung umaalis sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ, meron po yung process at meron pong memo. So, before this matatapos to, ang tanong, yung mga tinatawag nila na witnesses nila at mga nag-i-intel kung nandun talaga si Pastor Kibuloy. Tama ba, sir? Tatanong ko lang po, Mr. Chair, kung dadamitan nila ng pulis at hindi pa napapatunayan kung sino
Well,
yun.
since General Torre admits that pinasuot nila ng uniform, did you admit na pinasuot niyo yung uniform yan? Okay. Inadmit nila yan na pinasuot nila yung uniform para makapasok doon sa loob. Then, Nasa inyo na yan. Pwede nyo kasuhan yung nagsuot ng uniform at saka yung nagpapasuot ng uniform because he is not a policeman. So we have prevailing laws prohibiting such act. So bahala na kayo.
Okay. Thank you
In-admit
po.
naman niya in open hearing na siyang nag-authorize. Okay,
Thank you po.
please continue.
2016 po siya. 2016.
2016.
Opo.
So 6 years ago. Or 8 years ago. So do you think yung kanyang impormasyon ay still updated and reliable?
Sir, actually, ganito yon. Yung mga ginamit nila na siguro mga intel nila or asset, kasi minamask nila talaga. Tapos, syempre, pinapapasok. Although alam namin, yan, mga dissidents yan yung mga false witnesses nila. Tapos pinapapasok nila. Kukwento ko lang sir saglit, nagsisearch na sila sa quarters namin, particularly my room. Hindi lang 20 times sila bumalik. Kaya nga, as now, hindi ako bumabalik sa room. Mayroon siyang kausap, ma'am, nandito na kami sa loob. Meaning to say, may nagdidiktar. Yun nga lang, yung mga umalis na, yung mga dissidents, yung mga false witnesses nila, matagal nang wala doon. Dumaan na yung COVID, dumaan na lahat kung ano-ano pa mga changes namin sa mga rooms namin, hindi na nila kabisado. Kaya si General Torre litong-lito, pang ilang beses na siyang bumalik. Particularly my room, admittedly, because may lagusan talaga yon. May lagusan papunta sa main quarters dati, sa quarters ni Pastor, yung room ko. And they have violated it at I don't know how many times anymore. May nagdidikta. Pabalik-balik, may nagdidikta. Hindi nila alam, nag-iiba. Siyempre, may mga changes tayo may mga renovations kami. So yung mga intel nila, yung mga asset nila, yung mga dati na obsolete na, sir. Kaya ngayon, ang dami nila hinahanap. Mali-mali na, sir, eh. Yun doon.
Talagang this committee believes na yung kalang informant ay palpak.
As
Dahil
in failure.
hindi nila nakuha si Pastor Kibuloy.
Opo, mission
So,
failure.
mali yung
Ilang
information na
libo.
binigay.
Sir, ilang libo na po sila. Doon na. Tapos, dapat isang araw mahanap na nila. Tapos, 13 days na. Doon na sila nakatira lahat. Yun lang naman ang ano namin dito po sa committee.
Okay,
Maraming
sige.
salamat, sir.
Please continue, Attorney Torreon, kasi
Okay.
meron silang pre-prepare din. Pakinggan
Okay,
natin sila.
we're now on August 30, Honor, I believe.